Whether it's in the freezing cold of winter or the blistering heat of summer, being stranded on the side of the road is a stressful situation. And to help you be prepared for any accidents that may happen, we have this week's feature product, the EVR3D roadside kit from Redi. This auto safety kit is useful all year round and contains 48 essential items that can help out with any unexpected emergencies. And to keep everything secured in one place, it comes packaged in a handy nylon case. For any automotive emergencies, this kit comes with a 10-foot, 400-amp booster cable and a foam kneeling pad to help change a tire on the road. If medical attention is needed, there's adhesive bandages, alcohol, antiseptic, and sting relief swabs, as well as a first aid card to help with any guidance needed. Stuck in below zero temperatures, this kit can keep you warm with a wool survival blanket, hand warmers, a 36-hour survival candle with a box of matches, and there's even a bottle of gas-line antifreeze. There's many other items that can help you out in a roadside situation. And because Redi is a Canadian company, all their kits are geared towards our extreme Canadian conditions. Plus, it's Health Canada compliant. But the thing to remember is that all these products we just mentioned can only help you out if they're available to you when you need them. So be prepared for anything by keeping this week's feature product in your vehicle, the EVR3D roadside kit from Redi. Thanks for watching. Let me know if an emergency kit has gotten you out of a sticky situation in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.